Here's an easy way to mount the control unit and manifold on the 7500 series purge and pressurization system. We have developed these two easy to mount brackets that will allow more accessible viewing of the 7500 control units and the optional 7500 automatic manifolds. This will allow for a clean way to mount both of these devices to your enclosure. It does not require a rectangle opening in your enclosure, which is required for the 7500 control unit. When you purchase these brackets, they do not come with the control unit or the manifold. You have to buy those separately. But what they do come with is the bracket, the panel, and some mounting hardware for this device. This happens to be the 7500 bracket with the manifold options. And then this is the 7500 bracket panel with just the control unit mounted to it. Included with this is the mounting hardware. So to get this bracket onto the panel, you could just mount this on the left or the right side for top, bottom, left or right mount. We include these two 5mm screws, fiber washers, and nuts. When you want to mount these three holes to the enclosure, we have 4/4x20 screws, nuts, and these seal lock washers that will provide a NEMA 4X and an IP66 rated fitting. It makes for a really nice attachment to your enclosure for ingress protection. When you purchase the 7500-ACC-BKT bracket, you can buy the bracket with the option of mounting the manifold or without the manifold. The control unit, the 7500 control unit, mounts in this rectangular opening, and you would use the same mounting hardware that comes with this to mount to this panel. The 5500-MAN manifolds, the EX version, which is the ATEX ICEX version, would mount to this little ledge here, this bracket with 6 holes. So it can mount on the bottom or on the top. And we offer 6 holes here, and you only require 4 for the manifold. This is because you can slide this back and forth depending on how close you are to the enclosure. If you mount this bracket on this side, you may not have enough room for your tubing. So you just slide this over to these last 4 holes, and then you can mount it there. Very flexible. On the back of this is the 5500-MAN-CDUL, but this is the UL class division certified manifold system. This mounts on the back of the bracket, and it can mount this way or the other way, upside down, 180 degrees. However way you want to do it, again, very flexible. This bracket can be mounted on this side or the opposite side, so you can do a left or right side mount on the enclosure, but you can also do a top and a bottom type mount. And remember, the 7500 control unit in the software, you can rotate that display so you can see it whether it's top or on the side. We also offer this side mount hole for your reference pressure. So if this panel happens to be on the opposite side and you want to get your reference pressure through the enclosure, that bulkhead fitting would mount right through this hole. For more detailed information on the 7500-ACC-BKT brackets or any of our other devices, please visit our website for purge and pressurization along with our hazardous protection products we have to offer. Thank you for watching, and please like and share this video.